So my path to becoming an LPN wasn't typical. I attended a 4-year college for nursing and unfortunately wasn't successful, but a family friend referred me to this program, which is why I'm here today to continue with my nursing education. I chose to enroll in the DCTS program because it was close to home. I'm local in the neighborhood since I grew up in Delaware County. But I also find that the people that I surround myself with in this classroom have a lot of background in the medical field. So it's really great to get close to people in class because they have a lot of knowledge to share as well as the educators. There are several people in my personal life that inspired me to take this pathway to become an LPN. I have several family members and friends that have become successful nursing educators and even nurses themselves. They really pushed me to pursue my studies and become a better person and also become a successful nurse. Some things that I was really excited about, I would have to say, came through my clinical experience. I feel that I was able to perform more skills at a patient's bedside, which can often be really intimidating just because when you're working with actual patients, it could be quite scary. But the fact that we have so many simulation opportunities here at this program, it really prepared me to work better at the patient's bedside. If I had to give advice to a prospective DCTS student that's looking into this program, I would tell them to keep an open mind and really come here prepared to learn. Regardless if you have experience in the healthcare field, you can come to this field and learn so many new things and meet so many new people. I am Murtha, and this is my DCTS pathway to becoming an LPN.